You've all probably heard of ElevenLabs, the well-known site for converting text to professional voice in any language, and for free, with the first 10,000 characters. Many of you might have even used this tool in your content, only to be surprised that the 10,000 characters weren't enough, leaving you waiting until the next month for a reset. So, what do you think if I tell you today that I'm bringing you a free alternative, a complete site with many voices and languages? And the best part is, no limits on the number of words you want to use. Sounds great, right? It's definitely worth learning about. Let's not waste time and jump straight into the practical explanation. You've all likely noticed the recent rush from companies trying to offer the latest tools for content creation using AI, all to attract the largest number of users. They are also offering many tools for free due to increasing competition, which is why we need to take advantage of this and create the content we want from these sites. Today, the site we're going to talk about is Clipchamp, which is owned by Microsoft. Many of you may already know and use it for video editing. However, many new tools are being added to it, and among them is the text-to-speech feature powered by AI, which will be the focus of today's video. When you enter the Clipchamp site, which I'll leave a link to in the video description, you'll be asked to sign in. You can use either your Google or Hotmail account, it doesn't matter. Once you complete the registration process, you'll reach this screen you're seeing in front of us, which includes various tools, from video editing to AI-generated videos, using a collection of images you upload, and more. But as we agreed, today we're focusing on the text-to-speech tool. It's called text-to-speech. So let's click on it to open the screen where we'll set the language we want the voice in. Even within English, for example, there are different dialects for each country, and the voices vary from one dialect to another. We can even test them before adding the text. Once we've chosen the voice we want in this section, we can add the text, hit save, and the site will start generating the voice based on the written text. Now we can press the play button to preview the voice we've selected. And here's the final result.
Welcome business with AI followers. I encourage you to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date about latest AI tools and technologies.
And if you have a video you want to add to this voice, you can simply upload the video, edit it the way you want, and you'll have a ready-made video using AI. This tool from Clipchamp is very important, especially since it's unlimited, and you can create as much audio content as you like, regardless of the length. Let's try another language and see the potential of the website to convert the text to this language. This time, I will choose the French language and add a short text and convert it. Let's wait and see the results together.
Bienvenue aux affaires avec Business with AI. Je vous encourage à vous abonner à notre chaîne pour rester informé des derniers outils et technologies d'IA.
I can confirm honestly that this is the most powerful free tool to convert any text to any language I want without any limit. So come on guys. Try text-to-speech tool from Clipchamp and tell me in the comments how satisfied you are with it. I hope today's video was helpful. And with that, I'm wrapping up this video. Wishing success to everyone. A small request to those who haven't subscribed yet. Please subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video.